What's up, y'all? Dano back here again. I'm gonna show you how to make something so easy, anybody can do. It's boneless, skinless chicken breast, and it's gonna be 2 ingredients. It's gonna be some soy sauce, so we're gonna use some regular old soy sauce, and we're gonna marinate these chicken breasts from anywhere from 30 minutes to an hour, and then we're gonna hit it with Dano's, whether you wanna go original or spicy. It's not complicated. It's about the easiest grilled chicken you'll ever make. Check out how we do it, and we're gonna keep it juicy. We're not gonna dry it out, because the secret is cook it to 165 and don't overcook it. And then you got grilled, juicy, damn good chicken, especially after you hit it with that pop pop. So this isn't gonna be a long video at all, you guys. Seriously, we're taking chicken breast straight from the store, not doing anything to it. We're not getting a tenderizer out. We're not tenderizing this chicken. We're not doing anything. Seriously, we're just gonna marinate in soy sauce. Hit it with Dano's, keeping it simple. Soy sauce time. Bunch of it. That should be about good. So like I said, we'll let that sit for 30 minutes to an hour or so. Mix it around a little bit. We'll put some Dano's on it. Throw it on the grill. Don't forget to season the other side. Yum, yum, get you some. Listen to that snap, crackle, pop, baby. All right, y'all, so check this out. We've had our chicken cooking for about 7-8 minutes right now. We've already flipped it 10 and 2 to get the little crosses on there. Let's see. Oh, they're looking good. You know, all we did was soy sauce and Dano's. I'm telling you what, soy sauce and Dano's. It's all you need, my friends. Looking fantastic. We're gonna get it to 165. Oh man, that smoke's getting me. We're gonna get it to 165, and that's when you pull your chicken. People are like, why is my chicken so dry? How do you get your chicken so juicy? Pull it at 165, internal temp. Basically, you get the thickest piece on here, and once we get the internal temp on that one to 165, as long as there's not any big differences in any of the other ones, they're all gonna be cooked to 165, and they're still gonna be juicy. Just don't cook them to 195, and you're gonna have juicy chicken. Put some Dano's on it, and you're gonna have damn good juicy chicken. Make sure you get you one of these thermometers that reads right off the tip of the thermometer right there. So you put it right in the middle of your thickest part of the chicken, and look at that, 165. We know we're done, baby. So that's gonna be juicy chicken. You keep cooking it after 165, and that chicken's just drying out. So let's make sure this is 165, 160. All right, we'll give that another minute. Let's check this one here. Oh yeah, that's 165. So we are pulling them off at prime time. We're gonna give this one just a couple more minutes maybe, let's see. Oh, well it says 174 there, so I'm gonna say this bad boy's done. Now let's cut into this chicken. Let me get you zoomed in here close, and we're gonna just go on, cut right into it. And look at that, my friend. That is some damn good, juicy chicken. Yum, yum. Get you some. I don't wear the hat just because it's cool. I wear it because it's real. That, my friends, is some juicy chicken. Look at that. Look at that. That's like candy, baby. But there's no sugar in it. It's low sodium. It's all natural. Good for any diet, good for anybody. Oh. I'm telling you what. Soy sauce and Dano's, try it. Leave a comment. Tell me what you think. Make sure you hit that subscribe button. Yum, yum, get you some. Give me a thumbs up, baby. See you next time. Keep sprinkling.